Hi guys, we received this HYCHIKA paint sprayer for rain purposes, and what I like about this one is that you got one sprayer where you can set it up to paint vertically, horizontally, or circularly, which is really nice. It has a 5.5 amperes motor. It's a 40.6 ounces container, and it has a max flow of 33.8 ounces per minute. And you can use it for wood, different crafts, steel furniture, and exterior, interior, whatever you want it. So let's take this out and this main unit. This, let's keep taking things out. Here's a cable. This is a nozzle sprayer. You set it up like this. You can select if you want it vertically or horizontally, like this. And you've got the regulation for the flow, the trigger. This is a dispenser. It goes in here. And to change the nozzle, you open this compartment. You can see here's one nozzle. I'm gonna take it out and put the red one in. And this one, right back once again. The wrist, it's a very complete set. If the nozzle locks out, you can use this one to clean it. And it's really nice that it has a control in here at hand, so you can regulate how much paint you want. If you want less, it will function as a stopper. And if you want more, you turn it. As you can see, it won't stop that airplane. Okay, so you can press it further, which is really nice. And it's amazing. You can, as I said, you can use it indoors, outdoors, wherever you want it. It's really nice. Very complete set. Different nozzles, so you can clean them or swap them different occasions or different colors even. And it's really nice, and I would really recommend it. See ya.